Okay. Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and you won't see much of me in this video. Alright. Unbelievably, even to me, this was all the stuff that was piled up on my other Mac table in the bedroom. And I have now cleared it off and cleaned it. Although I forgot to clean under the old style 80s tray table, keyboard tray table. So when I get the new cable for the Mac Mini, and that's one of my 2 portable hard drives. I think I may have 3. And that's a powered USB hub, and those are notepads. And this is my old, I've had this since Sacramento. This is my old master controlling, it controls all the switches, and something fell on it, and it's a little bent, but it still works after all these years, and it's got a surge protector in it. And there's my modem. And hold on, I found another USB, whatever you call these things, and this amused me. I found this for $1 at ARF, and this is a, hold on, oh, it's missing a piece. No, there we go. There we go. This is a flash drive, and I just couldn't resist it because it was a little, construction vehicle. So when the Mac Mini gets hooked up, that will go on when I get the cable. The Mac Mini is always on. The portable already on. Sorry, the portable hard drive is on. Those are Post-it notes. A generic ibuprofen for anybody says I'm taking drugs. A representative keyboard, but I've lost the codes for this, and I'll have to see if maybe I can get it to work. And a representative mouse. I have a lot of mice. And my modem power thing and my phone. So, and there's still a whole bunch of stuff to go through under the table. I got to go through this whole bin. All of this was on the computer table. This says close in it. This says close in it. That's the dead Mac. And I want to tell you, and I got to put all these away and then start hitting the corner. So this is cleaning progress. But that, when it's cleaned up and everything is straightened out and moved and dusted, this is what the quote new Mac end quote, it's not a new Mac, but this is what the Mac area in here will be looking like. And then I will see about getting an old style Apple video camera and see if it's, I don't know, it may be too old to do videos on this Mac Mini, but it would, at least I'll have a working Mac in here once I get everything cleaned up, and I can run the air conditioner. And I want to tell you, cleaning this room in 70-degree heat in here with no circulation except the fan is not fun. So that's as far as I got, but I couldn't believe that I piled all this crap. All of that was in those drawers and on top of that thing and under the drawer. So I'm getting there, but everything takes time and effort and a lot of breathing in dust and sweating. All right, this is, excuse me for breathing hard, George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay warm, wet, dry, or cool as the case may be. And preferably you're cooler than I am in here. And stay safe as I continue to clean my apartment. And this has been the cleaning the back bedroom Mac table and getting it set up for the Mac Mini. All I need is a $20 cable and another keyboard, and the Mac Mini will be ready to go. All right, have a great day, and I'll catch you next time. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Bye-bye for now.